Good morning, Karibaran. Welcome to Fibreglass. Welcome to Solomon Island. As I have promised you, I am Francis, the one who has been emailing all this time. Yes, and I promised you that we were going to give you a tour, but due to the bad weather for the past few weeks, I wasn't able to do so. So the sun is out now, so we can go ahead and do that. This is the actual Kingfish that we were talking about. This one is the 22 feet. As you can see, it is a different design also. As you mentioned that your boats in Kiribati are open boats, so the cabin that we always put on our boat. Only our lonely boat doesn't have a cabin, but all our boats have cabins. So yes, this is a 22 feet. Now your one is actually 19 feet. So what we are doing actually right now is we're taking the bottom of this and we're reducing it and by 3 feet, so it is 19 feet, and that will be able to fit the container. So we can put it up here. So yes, so it will be that end will be somewhere will be shortened to this side. Okay, if the cameraman can come over. Then we shall have a look inside. As you can see, this one is 22 feet. The width of the actual boat is 4 feet. Inside, we can fit 2, 1, 2, and even 3 200-liter eskies. It is built to accommodate that, and also we can fit up to 10 people, including the skipper. But sometimes here in Solomon Islands, you know how it goes. You can see overload with vehicles like trucks. You can see overload with vehicles like boats as well. So yes, it can carry a heavy weight, and it's also good best when rough seas. We have been told by experienced skippers who've taken out this boat to sea. Yes, it is very. It does a good job while at the rough sea. And this boat is also a boat that has been certified by Marines, our Marines division here in Solomon Islands. So it has a certificate which is quite unique from the other boats that are sold by other companies here. This one has a certificate. Also, it was tested out at sea. So yes, it only reached up to this level over here, and it stayed afloat, even with water inside. That is due to the more flotation we have given it, and especially to this part over here. If the cameraman can just come on the back and show this part here. As you can see, we have sealed the back of the boat, and that too has air inside, so that also helps in the flotation of the boat. Yes, so that's the actual Kingfish. I would like to show you some other few boats, but currently we are out of stock. We only have this one in stock. Maybe as time progresses, we can show you other boats as well. But yes, your boat is in production right now, so I will keep you up to date with that also daily. So thank you, Karibaran, for your time, and yes, we'll speak later. Thank you. Go. And just on a quick note, I forgot to add in that the question that you asked earlier about the pole holders. Well, as you can see here, our Kingfish has one in front, one pole holder in front. We usually put a timber seat in the middle, so there's no pole holder there. And as you can see, another two at the back as well. But like I said, we use two different methods in putting our pole holders. One method is this one, where we put it on the sides, on the rails of the boat, and another way is we actually put it behind the seat, which is different from the blue one we just seen. So depending on your preference, on what the seat of the boat would like, yes, just tell us and we will give that to the boys and let them know. Yeah. And also we do put in handrails also.